لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
There are three types of Hajj. Number one, Qiran. Number two, Tamattu. And number three, Ifrad. Qiran. It is the greatest type of Hajj. The performer of this Hajj is called a Qarin. For this Hajj, the same ihram is put on for Hajj as well as for Umrah. After performing the Umrah, the Qarin cannot get halq or qasr done. Rather, he will remain in the state of ihram as usual on the 10th, 11th or 12th of Dhul Hijjah. After having halq or qasr done and making sacrifice, qurbani, he will remove his ihram. Intention for Hajj Qiran. A Qarin should make intention for both Hajj and Umrah in the following words. Allahumma inni uridu al-Umrah wal-Hajja fayassirhuma li wa taqabbalhuma minni. Nawaitu al-Umrata wal-Hajja wa ahramtu bihima mukhlisan lillahi ta'ala. Translation. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I made the intention of Hajj and Umrah. Make both of them easy for me and accept them from me. I have made the intention of Hajj and Umrah and have worn the ihram of both just for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. Tamattu'. The performer of this type of Hajj is called a mutamatti'. Those committing from outside the miqat in the months of Hajj can perform this Hajj. For example, the people from UK, Africa and from Indo-Pak usually perform tamattu'. The convenience that lies in it is that the mutamatti' after performing Umrah can get halq or qasr done and remove his ihram. Then on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah or before it, ihram of Hajj is put on. Ifrad. The performer of this type of Hajj is called a mufrid. This type of Hajj does not include Umrah. Only the ihram for Hajj is put on. The residents of Makkatul Mukarramah and Hilli, that is those living between the Haram area and the Miqat. Example, the people of Jeddah Sharif perform Hajj Ifrad. But those coming from other countries may also perform Ifrad. Intention for Hajj. After putting on the ihram of Hajj, Mufrid should make the following intention. Similarly, after putting on ihram, mutamatti' should also make the following intention on 8th of Dhul Hijjah or before it. Allahumma inni uridu al-hajja fayassirhu li wa taqabbalhu minni wa a'inni alayhi wa barik li fihi. Nawaitu al-hajja wa ahramtu bihi lillahi ta'ala. Translation. Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I make the intention of Hajj. Make it easy for me and accept it from me. Help me in offering it and make it blessed for me. I have made the intention for Hajj and have worn its ihram for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا